Good morning, friends. So we've just finished our fairy tale unit and learned about how to sequence. That means where we take the events of the story and tell what comes at the beginning, then what comes in the middle, and then what comes at the end. Well, to show our parents how much we've learned, and for added fun, we are going to create our own storybook and our own story and show how we can sequence beginning, middle, and ending. So we're going to go to mystorybook.com, and this is super fun. So we can go here and you can see that we can name it anything we want. So say I want the name of my story to be The Princess. Okay. Then I'm going to go down and do by, and I want you to write your name. I'm going to write Mrs. Green, but you write your name so we know whose is who. Okay, and then what we can do is add pages. So that's our beginning, but we can add characters. We can add a schools or city. We can add scenery. So we can go to this and add a scene. So let's do, I want my princess to be by the beach. That looks fun. So I will do the beach. Okay, let's put my princess here. Okay, so then for added fun, we can go and change. So we can change her skin color. We can change her hair color. We'll make her blonde like Miss Green. We'll give her some blue eyes. We can change the color of her shirt. Let's say I want to do purple. Okay, you can change all those fun things. All right, so then that's our first page. Let's add a page. So now, let's think of something that you want at the beginning of your story. So maybe it's the princess was by the lake, by the beach. Then you can draw in, you can do another scene. Maybe she's going to go somewhere different. Maybe in the next event of our story, the middle, she goes to the forest. Okay, so we can do all those things. You can text. So here's once upon a time. We can add that to our story. So once upon a time, we can go back and say once upon a time, the princess. Let's go in and add it now. This is our title page, The Princess by Mrs. Green. Okay, there's our title. We can move it around if we want. I could put it at the bottom. Okay, so The Princess by Mrs. Green. So once upon a time, then you can add more things, okay? So say you want to say that she came across a friend. So once upon a time, the princess was going to the forest and met a friend, okay? So you can go on and add as many pages as you want. Then on the back cover, you can write a description of your story. If you need some help, you can get your parents to help you spell out words maybe you don't know. But just do your best. It doesn't have to be perfect. We are learning, remember? So just try to remember your phonics and phonetic rules as we go through. Okay? So then you'll be able to save it, and then you'll be able to send it to me. But if for any reason you get lost, you can go up here to the tutorial and it will show you how to build your storybook. So it'll go through maybe a few more things Miss Green didn't go on, because there is even a place for you to draw, like you can draw things. So maybe once she got to the forest, let's go back up. Maybe once she got to the forest and met her friend, maybe she came across a beautiful rock and you want to draw the rock. So we will draw here. So maybe we can make, a green rock. That would be beautiful. See, maybe she came across a beautiful rock, okay? So make sure that you have the beginning, okay? She was at the beach. Then she went to the forest. So then what is your ending? Maybe after she meets her friend, the ending should be they went home to meet her mom and dad. So there needs to be a beginning, a middle, and an ending. So don't forget that, since we are showing that we've learned how to sequence a story, okay, by giving it 3 parts. All right, so please reach out if you need any help. Mrs. Green is happy to help, and you also have the tutorial up here to help. All right, don't forget to save it, okay, and it'll tell you to save. Let's go through that. You can put in username, so this is where Mommy and Daddy will have to help, but that's okay. Email and a password, and then they can help you email it to me or upload it to our Google Classroom that way, okay? All right, have fun, friends. I can't wait to read your story.